Hi there. I'm going to do a very quick page today. The next page in my story, girl. So what I want to do is I'm going to use this piece of wallpaper, and that's going to sort of reinforce this page a bit. Just going to sort of line it. But what I thought I would do is I found this lady in an old book, made a copy of her, and what I thought I'd do is, what I want to do is make a sort of pocket in her skirt. And because I got my second jab today, my second COVID jab, so I want to, this book is all about my COVID journey, so I want to make a pocket for this. But if I make a slit here, I can put this in, but I don't want it to cover her face. I want it to go a bit deeper, so I need it to go behind this. So what I think I'll do is I'll make a slit in her and this, so this will go in and sit behind, and when I stick this to the page, I'll stick the bottom and the sides, and I can stick the top, but I'll leave a cavity there so that this can go in and behind. And I'll stick her up there actually. That's what I'm going to do. But first of all, I will need to, what I think I'm going to do is cover her in clear gesso, and then I can paint her dress. And I think I'm going to paint it pink and green. That's what I'm going to do. And so when I'm ready to assemble it, I'll come back. So I have, what I did was I put the paper drawing print, I put it on card just to make it a bit sturdier, and then I covered it in clear gesso, and then I've coloured it in, and then I have cut round it so it's dry. So now I'm just thinking about how to construct it. I think what I need to do is I need to stick this on this, cut a slit where I want this to sit, and then stick that down firmly, and then just stick the bottom and the sides so that there's a cavity for that to go into. So I think what I want to do is I want to have a slit there so that it sort of sits but doesn't cover her face. That's the plan anyway, so that's what I'm going to do next. So I've stuck her down to this, which is actually wallpaper. So now I'm just deciding where this is going to sit. So I'm going to make the slit for this to sit in. I'm going to make it about here. So I'm just going to use that to make a mark. And I probably have to cut it a bit wider. Okay. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark off where I'm going to put the glue. So I'm going to put, when I glue it, I'm going to put the glue on there, and on there, and also on there, but I'm not going to put it there. In fact, from this point upwards I can put glue, roughly. So I can put glue there, but I can't put it there. So I've made myself that template now, and Yeah, I cut the hole first. Oh dear, nearly got that bit wrong. So, oh dear. Okay. Just cutting it. Goes in all right. Yeah, see, you have to make it a little bit bigger so that it slides in and out easy. Is coming out all right? Mm-hmm. There you are. I think that will do it. That will sit in. So now, do that. And I'm going to use gel. Here it is, and it's all dry now, so just leaves it for me to, oops, see if I can put the card in. There it is. Oh, it sits in nicely, and I am going to write so what am I going to write? I had, oh, hang on. Well, this isn't not very neat. I had my second jab today. Yeehaw! And my arm is hurting a bit actually. It feels a bit ooh. But I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty happy. I've got my second jab, and yeah. So here's hoping things get back to normal soon. That's what this book's been all about, my COVID journey, and it's coming to the end. I mean, I think this is probably the last spread because I want to leave that in there. So, whew, and I'm quite pleased really, because it's been a long journey, and started it March 2020. So anyway, enough of that. And today's date is, in New Zealand, it is the 30th. Of October. 21. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a very, very simple spread today. Not a spread even, it's just a page. And it just shows a little way of making a pocket. So do Do like and subscribe and come back soon, and stay safe, stay sane and keep arting. Okay, bye for now.